These are the elevators at the Morrowfield apartments in Squirrel Hill, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These have GAL jet plus vandal resistant fixtures in case fire use stay away for exit. This is a service elevator and it has padding going up. It has a really annoying fan. I'm not sure what these were originally, up to 9. I'm not really sure what these were originally, not exactly sure. They're modernized GAL jet plus vandal resistant. Elevator number 2. Here at 9. We'll go back down to 1. ADA phone, GAL jet plus vandal resistant. Pretty basic blue padded elevator. There's your vandal resistant lantern, tray lighting. This is obviously modernized, annoying fan. Here's your panel, GAL jet plus vandal resistant. I'm not sure who modernized it. Or am I sure who installed it? There's no sign of an original brand anywhere. That's what's underneath the padding. There's your certificate. That's what it looks like underneath the padding. Put that back on the Squirrel. There it closes, and that's going to be it. See where the original drop tree was. That's some history for you.